Hello guys, today I will show to you how to make a dreamy soft glow effect in Photoshop. Here that I already made, this is the before, this is the after. I will show to you the comparison. This is the before, this is the after. I will explain this slowly because slow living is good. And now sit back and relax. First, open the file. And then I copy the original layer. And then I convert to I make new layer below the new layer, and then I fill with black, and then I click twice to the new layer, and then I arrange the current layer setting. I hit Alt to separate the cursor of the current layer setting. I arrange the black to take the highlight of the car. I think this is good. I hit OK. And then I convert the layer to smart object. Polish. And then I change the blend mode to screen, and then I use Gaussian Blur. Okay, this is good. I turn off the black layer. I rename this Glow. I copy 2 times, and then I turn off the copied layer. I rename this to Main Glow. And then, because the detail of the sky lost, so I brush, I mask, with black here. And then I reduce the opacity, and then the second copied layer, I rename it Additional Glow. then I mask, and I fill the mask with black, and then I brush with white. So I brush the highlight area in the car because the glow in the highlight. This is the before, this is the after. If you see in some highlight area, you lose the detail. So I click twice in the layer, and then I arrange the underlying layer to return the detail in the highlight. Then okay. And then the second copied layer, I make masking, and then I fill the mask with black, and then I brush in the some spot area with white color in the mask. This is the before, this is the after. You can arrange the Gaussian blur. This is the before, this is the after. I arrange again the additional glow to return the detail in the highlight. I rename this spot glow. I check the masking in the additional glow, and then I unlock the masking, and then I blur the brush so the brush not messy. And then I check again in the masking here. I think this is okay. And then if you see some area of the car too black, too dark, so I add curve above the original layer. I fill with black in the masking, and then I brush again with white color in the some dark area. and then I use color and vibrance, and I increase the saturation and the vibrance to return the color that reduced before because of the glow. Here is the before, here is the after. So if you see, this is the before, this is the after. Before, after. Okay guys, I think that's it. If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Okay, see you next time. Thank you.